In this video, I will talk about how to apply this method to find the volume of the solid generated by rotating the graph around the x-axis. Okay, so for example, you have the function y. Okay, the function f of x look like this. Okay, this is y-axis and this is x-axis from A to B. Okay, this go from A to B. For example, from A to B. Okay, so the question is, you have to find the volume of the object when the graph of the function f of x resolving, like rotating around the x-axis. So if the graph rotate around the x-axis, it automatically generate an object look like this. Okay, so it will automatically generate the object like this and this one. Right, so you have to calculate the volume of this solid, right? So the volume of it is provided by this formula. So for the volume equal to pi the integral from A to B, okay, of f of x square, okay, dx. So this is the formula we're gonna use. Okay, so let's do some math together. Okay, so find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region bound by y equal 3x plus 1. Okay, so I will graph the function. Okay, this is x, this is y. Okay, so the function is y equal 3x. So if you want to graph this function, you have to find 2 points. Okay, find 2 points on the function. Okay, so for example, I will let x equal 0. X equals 0, y gonna be 1, right? And when x equal 1, y gonna be 4. Okay, so 2 point is 0, 1, and 1, 4. So when x equals 0, y is 1. So this is the point, the first point, this one. When x equal 1, right, 1 here, y equal 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 4. This is a point 1, 4. So I will connect these 2 points together, and we're gonna have y equal 3x plus 1 is this line. Okay, so we have to find the volume between this function and y equals 0. Y equals 0 is the x-axis. Okay, x equal 2. So when x equal 2, y equal 7, right? So 5, 6, 7, this one. Right? So when x equal 2 and x equals 0, x equals 0 is y-axis, okay? And y equals 0 is x-axis. Okay? So it's gonna be this area. We have to find the volume of the solid things generated by this region. Okay, so we're going to apply the formula to this question. So the volume is equal to pi the integral from A to B. So you see that this region, right, is go from 0 to 2, right? So the our pound will be 0 to 2, right? And the f of x squared, right? F of x is 3x plus 1, right? So this is 3x plus 1 square dx. Okay, so this is the volume, right? Okay, then pi from 0 to 2, I'm gonna break it down, right? So it's equal to 9x squared plus 6x plus 1 d of x, right? So next one, if you want to calculate this integral, you just find the antiderivative of it. Find the antiderivative of 9x squared. This is going to be 9x cubed over 3 plus 6x squared over 2 plus x from 0 to 2, right? So this one equal to 9. So you plug in 2 to this one function. So it's going to be 9 multiplied 2 cubed over 3 plus 6 multiplied 2 square over 2 plus 2 and minus, you plug in 0 to this one, right? So it's going to be 0 minus 0 minus 0, right? And this one equal to 80 38 pi, right? So our volume is 38 pi. If this video is helpful, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.